Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and lock your Facebook profile right there in your Facebook app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta do is to go ahead, update your app as well, and then you will go ahead, open your Facebook app. Once you're done opening your app, you will be able to find this kind of interface. Then what you gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on your profile icon on top left corner below the home icon. Once you get this kind of interface, what you're gonna do is simply go ahead, tap on this three dot beside this edit profile, tap on it, and now you will find this option called lock profiles. If you are not being able to find that lock profile option, what you gotta make sure is that you go ahead, go to your Play Store or iOS. If you have iOS, go to App Store and update your respective app right over there. Then you will be able to have access. If you're not being able to, then tap on this lock profile option, and then you will find this kind of interface where you can see the services. Tap on this lock your profile option and you will be able to tap on this lock your profile, and as you can see, tap on this OK, and the profile will be locked. So yes guys, this is the way you can go ahead and lock your profile here in your Facebook, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.